Hey, my name is Malachi, and I'm with Between Thunderstorms, and I'm with Myasia, Josiah, and Gabby S. We should not be taking a shower and not be near trees and on thunderstorms.
The loud storms have strong wind and hail sometimes falls. A very severe thunderstorms may cause tornadoes. Thunderstorms are very dangerous. If you are outside, stay in a ditch. If you're in a car, stay in the car. If you're outside, go back in the house immediately.
Make sure you stay inside the house. Don't take baths or showers. Don't go. If you are outside, don't go under trees. Stay inside cars.
If you go outside, you should lay in a ditch or you should stay in the car.